ประเทศเขาดีตักมีเขาประเทศเขาใส่เขาไว้เลยที่เด็ดไว้ไว้ซะว่าคำที่ปุ้ยจะว่าไอ้ละว่าเลยการนี้เลยปุ้ยบอกไว้หินุฮีจะจะรุมตาหิน and then this thought came into my mind นะสมหอยสาวอาจจะชูกุมนี้เจนประเทศขะเกาวิลนะประเทศพลานน่ะเกี่ยมันนำไงดู officer ขัดมังชาประเทศอินน้ำมืออัตุนโดนมเสีย message messenger ดิ่งไงมังชา in writing in deeds in words จะกันเสียชูประเทศน้ำมองเหตุที่ 100% จงเห็นเรา 200% ก็กับพจน์นะก็กับ proof cross check กับโบลา back and forth ฮิตที่ประเทศมองเหตุอินฮิตที่อินำดำนาดิวเล่อิกาลโซนาดิงโอเล่อินามุกิตุนโดนาดิง home pichu hitai ti kamu chetsia silai munahi I invest my time my energy my intellect and all my abilities at GMFDI MBBS zildinga hopi pa mama the inner voice the same voice tell me to go and to do whatever I have been doing with regards to GMFDI same voice na ke hin ko ka chia lo na hi if we hoi khat me sila gao chun I can hear the voice hi chi chun silaya GMFDI ya Lhagao hung bil pa khu ka hin khwa e pui jing pa ka ho jing pa ha chunung pathin mong bonga hi eti pa chu inner voice a het sa na oma hi chok to kel hona silai pathin Lhagao vil na amun ta ka gachi a pathina mong heti hi 100% jong hilo 200% kagap phot chena kagap proof cross check kabola back and forth hichi pathen mobong hita in hichi inam dam na diule ikal zo na dingole inam kitun do na din home pi chu hitai ti kamu chetse a chilai mu na hi over and above my call of duty not neglecting my job like you mentioned kaboling ka to ding ka kitsaya ka comfort zo sacrifice ka bola ki cholman lowa nam ngai du pasal khat ka hi je achu inamu assessa lam kai di jong nei theilo miem hi na a koi ma to ki do zo loading koi ma jong ki din te pi zo loading nam pathin tai lo i wa di ho ba poi ti hi kamu chin ja hilai muna pathin ei tun do nom se over ai hung velo hi ti hi ki che ta kamu ja I invest my time my energy my intellect and all my abilities at GMFDI pathin Lhagao vil kiti hi Bible la sa hi it's a replay only it's not the first time that's happening Bible la khapoi ti holoi Bible pi Bible sim hawang chu ka hepoin Jesu jeng jong chu nakidanga hin to a anasa hin su dama mi cho ho mi den ha sa a popularity a hung san phana chu Pharisees the Sadducees silaya ho hil holoi min angai sang ta holoi chun out of zila eng set suma chu Beelzebub thanei na mancha hi thil ho pa hi mi chon se hi ya chu a sei thang wa hi that the same replay is happening number 1 number 2 achu pathenin ao ami avil thei mama e sinai mola zong Moses koma hambo la me ko win vantil zong kilain pathenin ao in Moses a hopi chuteng le Abraham zong Lot hu do dinga vantil ho hunga chun iti ki ho ham pathin to Abraham to phata in simlechun he was talking to God Abraham in pathina in head dan ho zong he was talking to God through the voice ale pathin to mi ki ho jeng o ki za the hi Thuphon jong te pote Thuphon ni ti pha le revelation to imang khom jiwin pathin Lhagao vil ta iti deu hi Damascus hopi zona Christian ho sugen theding achi Paul chu Damascus lampia vaina sale Yesu keuve sola na kiti hi chana chu ama hi ho hil mina sata hin hi cha chu ipitiam vaina salphala hlu a va akona chu o khat hunginga sol anti da chu hoi koina him atia na su gen thei jing Jesu chu ka hi atis aw a ho pi chu na Bible chu Acts chapter 9 na khoi sima hi le ako maum hon sol he chang sia chi hilou pi chu with his team ako maum zo sen so was out. It was hard by everyone, but Solin took his age to atasan so pathin Jesu chu mong hi atasana apoma a sei se nga ya hi zong le ako ma hon sol to Jesu ki ho chu azau ei wanga mon thu pia gelo ignorable chu. But the one that believe it sol chu pathin a ron pia tua hi ngam pila sol hi vangama pathin nga ko ma ume ti chu ki sei thei hi an anot tham ho wang chu thigam taw vintin vangam lu lo zong atam zo hi mai thei hi tabanga chu pathin tu ni khwa o ai hung bilu hi pathin mong hi ti hi ke man amun ta ka chi a ka proof hi Bible verse some we approve nothing zong le most important to 1 John chapter 4 verse 2 na 1 John chapter 4 verse 1 bo se chu e hung ki sei piu chu Lhagao Thuphon ta san hewin pathina ko na hi hilo phochen ma saw vin ti chu e hung ki sei piu wa verse 2 pa ko e ki sei pi zero chu verse 2 a khu definition chu bon definition a chu Lhagao chu pathina ko na hi tia na het diu a hi Lhagao Jesu Christa ta sa a ahung pina ta sa a cross a ahung thi sei phong le Lhagao chu pathina ko na hi ati chu simple definition but very clear Jilaya hung bil Lhagawin cross a athu sei athi na ho le sida ahin laya anato ho zong a sei pakai Jesu Christa Lhagao ama ta chu ni hung ho pi debate dum lo pi su e pawa se hintin. This is simply one proof that it is from God. And another Bible atomin ko itadi lew hen Bible adong to proof tai to ka sei adang sei di tampiu me izong le time doesn't permit chi senga jong hi pathina ko hi het se the hi time ala sa sei ding chu as we speak today tu ni hi ni sia pathin thup pi a taw khom na hi ni zagi le som ko lang athin ni touch. Every day people are praying at GMFDI to our God, to our Lord Jesus Christ, and they are filled with the Holy Spirit. They are in joy. Koi ma lấy sẽ khang thua hi chana mi him tao khom tiu ngai lo chu. Hi chi ji mai azong pathin na to hi the work of the Holy Spirit hi ti het chen the hi chu.
GMFDI khoi bola mi hem kan aman cha khel ham mi hem lowa mi kung khan hong en lang ano osu khan hong en lang ki phong le chu at least people will say oi chiwang hi pathian hong ki phong ki te dim na wa chu mi khat luma akoma mai ka ki koya khani ita pausa ti chu ai lo ki phun na dramatic sumang lila to bang tai ba ki phun na dan an ge lo ham ti chu na because I'm curious ka se na jong hi lo but thu phonum di Lhagao Thuphon dia kiti se le mi khat lum te gi ge ama chu ai le koi hoi apana Lhagao hu ti phan le mobile ai ki ho di le network poimo na signal poimo ti ba hu ama chu signal battery to bang na man chaw ham aki phong di te chu ai le aki phone na ka ma thu phong di te chu ipha qualification ham mi khat popo man ham ai le na hon mi nominate na bol ji wa ama ka ma chu mi ki phong ji ham ti hin se
Good question. Emi te hi Jesu mata hung hen lang tuni khoin e lam kai go zong le setan hei ti tho tho diu he muan ilung gelo phalo na chu khanna number 2 na question a chu ibola mi him khit selam man e palm sunday I man naw ba zong ko na Jesu le sira len la ya Jerusalem ko pia lu dinga sangan chunga to wa chu chapang ho le milham hon a hin ba cho ya so ho sana sa wa che na Jesu ni pi sei ham chapong ho hi suthi na tiwa ho hi hon advice apel watch hi chi ho athi ba hi le song chang ho zong yeu do de hi na dai le to na sei ta ba chu mei kong zong man thei song zong man thei mei kong man ta chu la Moses ko ma Mount Sinai ya na le mei ko ma hong tilang ta chu la mei bola man ta chu la Mount Sinai ma Israel te hin pui do zo wa zong chu a ki phinu le tu ni hi koi ka hi ka ki mu sa de he atia jing thai ni ani thum ni hit ding le thai ni ting le ka hung ding a hi hi je chun ki su themu win nami pi te ki su seng sa in Sinai mol chu thoge do win lang hi chi va poi mai lut sai nong lu chu thi dinga hi nang bo nang le ron bo nong kal to de tia Moses ko ma pathinin thu apia mei bola hong kila a lightning thunder sa hong kila a gim nei be si amina vet ngam lo hi chu pathin chu he si a chu tu nia pathin in mi hi ma man jing zong i sei koi te wa hi le song chang le mei kong mang le i pi ti diom thilana to he ti su to ami man pa hi mi ping tha chapang khangdong kum som thum lenga limi 34 years mi ping tha hin ko thing mang mi him mi khat bo man hi pathin Lhagao na man hi i mi khat bo mi ping tha aman
Okay.
Lhagao gilo hong pha le mi dang aman
Tu hin GMFDI nisa kiat nisa ko lang tina say jing ke na koi mai nam songa jong koi ma GMFDI te say phao mo mo talo abana no ho hin iti dana say dham like thing noi po na man chaw ham ti kha jong hong po doi nat whether you like it or not but KNO has KNO ten letter so PS how been assigned KBC ten pastor na to na nei ho GMFDI ahung kilazia GMFDI panalazia hitin hai sa te hivin ti to makna hona thu pi ani ti ho vel chu di hinam ti khut number 1 ka dona hintin hi chi hin dong ma saw
thing noi mi power mana ki ham bolding thino mi power mangi ti wang chu sei khelo hidin tin pathin ho na hin chin ngai lu na nei ta a na thil bol wadi poi tia se hin ka he in apial su da chun I pi chu hi le I he deu kha chu taw na ki ti hi inam pi ni poi mo hi number 1 taw na hi GMFDI bo ai taw lo deu ho bung tin ni si ai taw deu he aji chu inam din mo no hi pathinin ei tun do lo wa hi le I ma hi lo deu tu chung I galo hi gal ki patila ko na kamu chen le ka sei jing chu is a spiritual welfare a highest form of spiritual welfare Lhagao mu the lo wa gal ki sa na hi e hat wangai sa deu hi le nangin jong na hi e muan I ma hi lo chula tu chani din zo hi e sa pi e din piu khanom hi chu
but hi tana se wa le inam lam kai te adia amin jong pha ngai ta boy ani hi vai ti mo na jing ke wa board front line to defend lo ni tàu na power tàu na chu pathian chu trial ball ti ram pakai ka tàu dia nang ini chan na ball tiam kyo suna jan tàu hin ka tin nang in nei veng je in na tiu ham ai lo le tàu ding ball ding ti dana na gel kha lo ham
you ask me you answer me this question pungi za sum ki taw ham ni
hilo
sia ki
pung
taw
za
hi
so
pungi za sum ki taw ham pungi za sum ki taw ham tell
lam
me
kai
tell
te
me
so
answer me pungi za sum ki taw ham
anisia
you
na
should know
tàu
this
na apung chu ke lo pat anisia na tàu
no you should know
ball
it
line vela
you should know it pung sun he
hilo
du
dia
ngai
chu
chu
lam kai te ho jing che event le na ki hop na chu athang pia ni zan lang hi jing ke na zan
no
lang
no
hi
no
jing ke
no hello soon always
su này le chu na tong lo tao tin tin ai ta chu le za ne le chu za na koi
11
man na to lo ya
11 to 1 na to chu til chum hia I cannot speak on their behalf na I cannot speak on their behalf ke chu ka suti ni le ka zau ji ni sia ka zau zo lo ai wanga chu pung som le khara pat pung kha chan ni sia ki taw hi chu ei ma chama ki taw lo pathin thu pi ki zuya ki taw hin tin pathin nei din pi je wa tu ni chan ki taw zo hi cho hi zia hi hobung tin jong I taw jing ni si a chilai bo jong I taw lo dingu mun nai taw diu a hi jing la ya taw na mun ni si a taw na mun sun chu I de over su ti bi go do chu I ki o hi nam ti big question hi chu taw na hi a siat na ham pathin ho di ta mi house pathin house sai ho wa hi le ti de dwai vai sa wa kham thei po wi zo over ai lo wa hi le kani le poi bol vai hi nu hi za cha dum ta hin pastor ha mai lo le missionary ha mai lo le ho na tong ka he ki tia vai cha de do hin jong hi I ho pau dinga hi I ho pau I ta san zo lo zi ham ti kha dan jong de he he
mi zo sen sam ki hoi sau tin hile government
pasal
thil
zo
khat
sin
le gen ro ko
pasal zo sin
isi ipiti dana ito bang idea na hinay kaya ya panan kila ham
same answer like I told you ke man ka he nai interview bulai sei mama chu sing I had the voice in me telling me to do so pasal khat hi na chu nam khan coding hi kana gel kho zingin lekha ka sima panin kana ma ding IP ka bol thayam ti su ka ngau min rimsa hostel ka online jong kaloi pa lalpu dr lalpu to kharong kana is keole nam thu ka sei ji honin mi za tang ngo chun subject topic ho chu discuss ki bolvin ke ni nam ka ngai nam thu jeng ka sei honin IP bola iti khan to diam aji chu nang ho campus saum khalo me lei ho to le za dang ho to hostel share khalo ho chun inam din monu in he lo mai theyu za dang to interact be se lo wa direct ka delhi a le kha ga simas job hoi ta hin mo lo jong chun na feel lo mai theyu hin ke ho kum nga ta bang chu za dang te to za tin nam tin to kong sian ko ma hin we know their mentality we know their privileges we know where we stand we know where they stand is a he nam pi a ding a he ipi ka bol thei diam ti lunggel ki nei zinga itia hi nam rims kom lai hi in zenim ka to lai hi zong le emi ana sa ho chu ki thopi thei thei ya ki thopi za me thei hon pharmacy ho loin zong a thep ho loi sumla pi de gon ho zong hu thei thei na ki hu zinga lam kai hunga specialist hung hi zo wa zong ipi ti le operation hi tam zo hi itaw na aki bolin in nam mi sa tem gam danga aga chi a chi hi ovin chila ki zen sai thei dem ti hi bol thei chanung ki bol zinga hin chi to kil honin fa sei tabangin GMFDI ya pathin in hing bil taw ven pathin in aidin POV awo in hung vilo ven e ho ding in plan anei in inamu tun do ding ago we should agree to that hi chi hi kamu chet ja chu campaign ka bola tu ni chana sei theizo se hil theizo se ka hin bola hin lekha zong pithen in sunin ti ze in kalungila sei je chun lekha ka sunin ke man ke hanai ti lekha bu chu kam chang thu se ho tu in chi english translation ka boi pi na line english translation zong hong so ding he next edition ai to I around 3800 copies su ki chai hi tai chung so na hin I kept asking God what will I do next and what do I do next and then this thought came into my mind na sam hoi sao aje chu kum ni zen pathin Lhagao vilna pathin plan na pathin plan keiman nam ngai lu officer khat mangcha pathin inamu atun do nom zia message messenger dinga e mancha in writing in deeds in words sa kana sei chu izwana sei tabang chun ade ding ki pungvin aselai lai I seyuvin dot dot nani neuvin ahoi lo lai lai bolvin ide zengovin it's chu zein imachal thei pove tu chanin the God I believe is all possible sinading in pathenin na sam hoi sawin na zat nam miten nam na po na ain het thema ke man ka vilna na sei hang sap le hi ain het themova ahin pomova ahi tingle na namu katun do ding ahi ti na hi lungele pe ja ka sam ka hoi saw hin primarily achu second achu inam pumpiun ka vela hi le ese ithum movin a thuin but ta san na zong in ei povin muding in zong in ei gel ha thei povin pasal ho zong inop no bini pawin what's by inop no bi sevin we don't know what to do I serious pove lam kai hoi sei sevin I demovin taw na mang ho zong I demovin tem thei demovin asu sa yom pove I serious pove tuni khoin za dang ten hin betale kuki zo sa thei sap thei hinawam pe dia lom hi wam tile seriousness mu thei di on ground ai ma cham poi really khat be ni be chiu kalwa lom poi nam bingin zong I boina lavin kuki zo mi thado lo zong I boina la yobe ita bang ho loi chun ETS ho ya e hung ki pe momong zong le EP lo diu ham preparation lo achu izi ahi serious angai minan de zong le serious dingu e ho zong I serious dingu akana lo ding I pai mang dingu I kilung to diu I pan khom diu unity si hi angai achu ti lo hi le me le ten mi he min zong I mutta pove masangin how mi tiu vin nam khang to lo ti nei helvin tun wang minai machai tiu ve minai machai ki ti su so cha te ki na he minai se ti vin so te e tiu hi ve me le te toi chen khom kit nge wa hi le so muai ki muding I cha I tu teu chu mi su apang ding vietnam hi mi mai mungam ta lo ding chi gial ji teng le pasal hinan ki po so po chi je hin pathinin lungila sam hoi sawi na nam mi te ki gial do na deuvin a serious na dong vin hi je hin chi hi ka hin hoi sawi na hele a message man to tampi in tu in mi zal som nga pasal ka thingovin sam ka ki hoi sawin inam pumpin pasal zo sin sam hoi saw leu hen a kind of non-violent protest hung hintin I galu hi ken wang ese hi imu saw I khurai choi hi tai tia ka gela hi Ikilung to po va isat khomova ifai khomova hile. Yes, there is no reason why Indian government should not give us separate administration, because there is no way that we can live with Meiteis anymore after all these atrocities and attitude they have. There is no meaning for us to live with them again. Amoto in home nothing minimum talo here. Seriousness nothing. It outing only twice it outing only. But he is any peloi loivin. Because some south side you can do everything. They are pertaining like it out here. But also since some I'm telling you, I promise you this. Ilung gelu zong chomdi. We'll be serious. Ito itam na zong chu. Kimo pau ngam taloding, lam kai hong kidem ngam taloding. We will be praying for our leaders.
Okay.
Kung lisa zomi kukia zongi boy taloding o, salang hanga zongi boy taloding o. Because we will have the same goal.
We'll have the same long hair.
Same long hair, same thinking. Same attitude.
Again, kuite sedan hal gel khop set khat zong hin na pathian in Israel cha te an hen lion ke ma hen do te na ke ma nam te ti het na ding in chep chan khon na bolin ti to bang hana hona nang in tan an sei le sam sau ki ti hi high school la kan het khada esan te la sat zal ti ha sat zal te khada umin sat zal te khu ama ho sama ki hoi sau win pathian thu lang to ki sai ham khan hin tin
Religious matters sanamahi na.
Amo hin la ganja edik ngen hivin nang ana sedan chu okay tu ni chan mi zale som na phata ve sam ki hoi sau it is like sam hoi sau ja muding helawin na sei nom na chu sa ka muding a sam ka hoi sau di tile sam na hoi sau jana tu na lung thima sa chumang talang di seriousness among di thina se na hin ale
lifestyle
hichi kan protect kan nil kal nom na khat ipam tila koi ham nang hin zui thei di na nang mi tam ten na thu sei chu pom ta jong le student hola sam hoi sau phal lo wa sam sau am le ta ki kai to wa teacher ten firstly students are out
not out
police
not out
students are not allowed to have long hair in the school unless you are a Sikh Punjabi, but they're also not allowed to come out. You have to tie with a turban. Okay, firstly, from my understanding, students are out. Secondly, all uniform service, police, IRB, MR, they cannot keep long hair. They should be like me. This is called Fauzi cut. Soldiers should have long hair, short hair. You know what? Sepai hon army te ani bola sam som cha ki cheo ham kiti hena. Sam som kiti hi the literal meaning of short hair is humility. Ineusa. Polite. There is long hair, short hair. Maybe your explanation is a different thing, but from my side, south side, boys students are out of the game. Police
not out I'll come to that.
I'll
come to that. Yes,
all military personnel, they are out. Yes, they are well qualified. Some south movement na. Some south movement he nang se na koile yes mi tam ten na se bangin inzo na se bangin misinterpret the balls even ken jong na interpretation dan chu ka het hemin ai bangin many people will be out of the game ti hi ke gel dan he
can I come?
Yes,
can I come to that? How much every cookie though boys and men should ask this question to themselves. How much price do you want to give for your future? What is Sepoy Mutiny? 1857. What is the story about? The first war of Indian independence, Sepoy Mutiny.
That was given, the name was just given later on.
Later on, but it was how it happened. Just because the rumors that there was some oil, animals oil, pork and beef oil in the grease of the new guns that were supplied to the sepoys of the time, and then one man, you know his name, lead the forefront not to accept it. Rebellion started. Then that moment, a sense of nationality come to the Indian people. Indian media touch. Number one. Number two, Achu Mama Gandhi, barrister, South Africa mi vom hon an il mi kang hon an il treat pha na chu India zong ami sa te su gen theya chu apon at be se zia India hunga civil disobedience movement a hin patch na he sacrificed all his job, his comfort in South Africa, 20 years a barrister, very successful lawyer hunga chilai civil disobedience movement hong pada 1930 1931 na chu kan ting le sol law kiti holoi non-cooperation movement za hin bola Indian the British Empire chu a hin hit jeng hita non-violence mode tuni koi nei mi te zong hi email ma teu hi in nas satai su gen theuwa inu mei teu kichep na thanga an neuwa anop no alo wa zan hi dunga zong na dan hi dunga zong iso pinu khat thikita na cho hi po na rum hi chu o ei bol na ho hi a hinglaya zong mei a e ki hali gancha zong I tha ine di zong a hinga ki hali ngai lo pi chu e ho yung ki hali I loli ki tan piu I chi ho bol mi ho to chun cheng khom the ding ai gi el ha o le wang chu to ana sei zo she chu okay he's not possible they are out IRBs are out officers are out high school students are out but if you have the heart and the thought and the feeling that Dr. Hagen has today and you have a vision of your future 10 years 20 years from now and next generation what your children will live if you are really careful and serious about it high school college ka he poi thal I do bungai poi tu ni hoin I martyr son galai sa pi tawe e ki bon ho zo se chu it's a war fought we just have to show and carry forward that thing to our advantage. We don't have to fight or kill anybody any further. We don't have to die more or so.
What kind of front line now koi madin talodi.
Koi kap di wong, tell me koi kap di ham. Nagawai kap le me le ho ki pading Indian Army kawa hi le khate ki pading galka ba chu galka di ti jeng chu pi se no ham ka ti su. Me sang izan ne ham. Me sang hi zanga chang kharai zanga sa ku man hi chu eke chang khan hi. Thal kap ding ai ki so so ni za kap di ne wa melma thumin. Iti do mo mong di ham. What is the logic there?
Logic lo to ale tu masanga ye sante khara ki thani na ye sante khari ga mahung lut ki ko khara ki thani ni chong chu gamne nam deng tu ten da thawi lo ham thal choi telo di ti la ma chu hung lut dingin anom no bola kinung le di lo ham
these are proof that may te to cheng khom thei ta po be chi chu gal sa
that is what yes huti le bola thal choi telo
no gal sa din tiu le naga ho sa ding may te ho ka ga ding a ho ga bulu
lo gal sa ti so
Indian Army ka din tiu so there are other means that is not the best option katina hi chu I don't say ka po katina poi na we have better way of pushing forward our movement and our future non-violence protest more than pina ni yeah se poi mutin tu gel do tang IRB na yam police na yam se poi na hi zong le
the rule so they are not allowed to have long hair na uniform person
yep
how can they put long hair
yes the same thing Mahatma Gandhi did the father of this nation who built this nation had gone the rule of the British law was to pay tax they don't want to pay tax yeah even the salt they don't want to pay tax on salt and other items and then they do non-cooperation movement and they promoted homemade items and ban the import things those are against the laws but those are non-violence mode and it was successful Subhash Chandra Bose didn't like it the extremists he came till Moirang to start INA but he failed the non-violence mode built India then if the Sepoy Mutiny could stand we IRBs if you are serious about your future and if everyone in one voice decides to keep our hairs long as a means of non-violence protest, then the war will relook to the reality of our future. They will become more serious and they'll take us seriously. If disobedience happening in high school for the cause of their future, a high school student in Samaki Hoisawa saying I loa mola to ahile school zo sia boy za ahile government team ding ana gelo ham sepai zo sen samaki
there is the strategic level you're talking about tun thing noi lam kai ho ki sei tiang le acha te mun chom choma na even India in when it comes to the BJP leaders acha te school phata ta foreign na kai so in India IPP ho English medium ho kisan azada wen na thing noi lam kai te hen acha te school hoita ta khopi dunga kai sawin ama hon hila laila mi achapang mi cha te thing noi din la ve ti ta men ale nangin mi 150 ni ti te la hin nang man chapa khan ni na chapa sam sawam
apart hongum di he inampi ni he thim teng le
hello
inampi people
na chapa pa na example apan jong bolin na chapa jong bolin ama pa cha na bol vai le kyong ka bol ti dan tia mi hin copy no mum ti le na chapa na bol sa dem
I will
like the God has sacrificed his son Jesus for us ti dan no ma
I will kabolding to teng le I have been telling my son he is a big boy now class 11 asimta in gal sunga jong ken mundang aka sol lo kagol ka pai ho na cha teo silong delhi a solo ken thagup sula kai lo wanga chu na mi na sa te gen the na feel angai na he angai ka ti chu ken ka sa pa hi maturely ka ho pin tin I mazo se tunia ka kisu gen the na ke nom sa ta thei pa hi ka in luma ka building a ka lo ka kila nom the pa hin na khan khoding ka gel ja he tu ni hwa he hi tia hi to man lo wa in kho ka mana pharong sia taw na muna kal heya mi zo se taw dinga til khowa kan ne ya le kha su thei jong ka shu da hin nang dinga future dinga ki su gen thei ka he ti hi message clearly ka say page ja chu my question is how much are we ready to sacrifice mi tha sam nang ni seva mi bozo se ton op nai nei wa hi le mi su ai pan diu so koi my spare hi lo diu chu me le te to chen khom ki wa hi le be taw phai na chi pha teng le minai ma cha ong etia dukan ana chi lai lai jong nama sang ta kot na hin kha den diu hi chu nom lo be di chu officer na hi jong le na no ya tin na za hi be taw paper proceed chi ga goyo ti jong le nang paper chu delay na boli nang ma main clerk job jong na ki bolding phan hom nai ti chu mi an sim lo is ya how much you want to sacrifice for your future and your children's future china he team wa ki he taban he dale zo mi a boina di thum lo ku ki a boina di thum lo tha do boina di thum jong lo we are sharing the same future some hoi sao na no view jong le come up with something better I'm ready the readiness you say na how much are you ready some hotel until I'll do it the next day if this is going to work let's invoke
some sense
mercy.
of loving for the nation
yeah loving for the nation and for people to love us as a nation also yeah okay serious lo inom no imadon don ki bolu I see as zong moving azong ki ta san lo ki fight nai lo hinalai gala tip de I hope ki chai atu pi pena chu pathine din pi chu why I am doing this because I have faith in God
yeah
but God wants us to be serious
na say dan nal ma mai tua
God wants us to be serious but we are not serious
yes
we are so coward mi hang san dan ai ti se wang wa hi mi hang san ta hi lo pi I han san vai le tua hi sacrifice bol ngam dingu I suffer ngam diu galagin me thalagin na ga dela ka kap chol chol chu han san na chi keu chu han san na hi lo pi chu han san na chi kha hi jong le tua how much you are ready to sacrifice na cho I bol ngam wa suspend ki bol loi adu ada bol loi I mu wa I hun tho so pha teng la chin chu achu na khat ngum pan de
okay
chi bol lo wa hi le
masala
I chi bol ding kam
masala pp chong loi to na ki hawa chu ita phata ne explain lo ja chu min ton nom na le memes to ngain man thuin na tuina ki hethiam tan to na sei hi okay
muan to lom nai man ma chu ka sei chu na ke sam hoi sau ja ese hi tampi a sei lo ding ong I sei chu a thu hi ging hi chu
yes that is the point I'm telling you
I'm happy everyone knows they're talking about essay because of one mad doctor who put his hairs long at least it's a discussion so next step to discussion is sai ta lifestyle hi ngai I mu jong le essay gel dingu I tho jong le gel dingu buini jong le gel dingu hi chi ingol pi dingu
ngol piding ithilbol hi gincha ding kamhara thu har ki sei to banga kamhara khun ni sawal pe sen go azumong mong ta hin mi pi te pathian ko ma guzun ding a taw ding tin a ki te mu ne le mi nu khadi
umbrella in choy na
mi nu khada chapang pa umbrella ki choy anui survey ki te likewise our SM movement should not be like this no Ivanin ki pa hoi ma
SA mu diu he mu te diu he popular government form zong le pathian alung hai lo le flop tho de pathian ai din pi ve tun do diu he tu ni kha doctor again sei angolin gel he ovin pathian in ai sei sa hin ka cha lo I ma zo se na think seriously ke nom sa ta om thei pa hi tu ni khwa hi imi cha in ji na cha na tu te tiung wa ke hin lungkil ka ne ya ki salel ka hi in angol nei tiu le wang chu nang ho le nang ho angol na hi
angol na ti hon jong nang angol na ti lai chana na thu se ko avel vet tiu hen na mo de nga jong kalkat
take me
revision
seriously
and
my
revive
people
and more
yeah
nurturing dilang in lautin
yeah
ki pau me gen tu ni ki hona ta kal ni lang jong val ta yen ki lo ma ma yen dia nang GMFDI langa nang ngol pi to sam saula nang ngol pi to plus
GMF
overweight
dia
nor
ngol pi hilo pathin ka ngol pi hi chi na se
ah
chi ko hema
pathian ke man kai lai
GMF
cha
dia two people
What's
pathin
that?
na two pi pathin chi
Alas
pi
na
hi
kang yan dengan Bible ken hui ne. We can quote Bible for anything. Silhoy lo ibol lezong Bible quote he ho ibol lezong Bible quote he. Kham the ibol lezong Bible quote he. Judon long Bible quote he. Bible is complete word of the living God. Tin koi vain mo. With this, we should end our conversation now for tonight.